Guys, I'm back. We're now in Euston train station again, as in the last YouTube video of this part 3, the AET Samsung Candy Hoover Phantom Master 14. Mama, look, it's not even connecting. Look, it's not connecting. Come on. It just must be service. Oh, we need music. It might work better when we get closer. Okay, guys, we're gonna play the music when we get a bit closer, guys. Okay. But
it's been an hour and 15.
oh. Guys, I'm gonna turn it off, do not disturb. Yeah, oh! I could actually do it while still recording. Oh. Come on.
And actually it's the trip that I liked on it.
Oh, it's better work.
Really fucking let him down, didn't you?
So, see you at Euston train station, guys, okay? Yeah, okay. Guys, I'm back. Oh, stop that. Guys, I'm back. We're now at Euston train station, and also, the music which I was playing was... Hey, go to the beginning! Hey! And well, the music is...
Oh yeah, that's my
Nimbus. Oh. Focus forward. See? Nimbus. And well, there was a part which I missed out. Like, listen. It's because I didn't even think of it, so listen to this. Listen to my new part of it, which I missed out of. Listen. Listen, after this. I didn't even notice, listen. I forgot this part. I didn't even think it had another part of this, so let's go to the beginning and play the music, okay? And well, the music is going to be actually like that. Well, let's play it, okay?
Oh, you're just... No, you're okay.
Well, look at the lights. Well, they're the same as that. Or
I can't move it anywhere except off the train.
Oh, okay. Okay, see you at the next bit, guys, okay? See you when we're at the door, guys, okay? Guys, I'm back. We're now going to get off. It took even more than 2 hours. Jeez, it's really rainy out there. Yes, please.
Yes. Do you want to do your zips?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Well, guys, let's go up here. And well, oh my gosh. Man, the volume is so quiet, but put down my question now. Or rather, the question is, guys, it took even longer than 2 hours. It took like actually a few hours, like 4 hours, I don't know. But I had to get like 2 of these Avanti West Coast trains because the first one I got, it just like it couldn't it thinks that it couldn't go to Euston, like Euston train station, and well, this one did. But see you at the scanner lift, guys, okay? Guys, before we get to the next bit, the reason why it took like a few hours instead of 2 hours, like I'd say 4 hours. Was it like 4 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the reason why it took like 4 hours is because the first train got cancelled at Brompton Bank.
It's 5 hours.
Oh, guys, I think it was actually 5 hours, but
They should have took 2.
it should have took 2 hours and 11 minutes. But it took even more than that, which was very weird, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never seen that get cancelled. It's never happened in my life, to be honest, but she had to stand the lift, guys, okay? Guys, I'm back. We're now at the stand the lift in here, and well, it actually in the original spot which is on the ground floor. So let's pull it down, okay? But let's go up the escalator, okay? And it's a cone escalator, and it's a stand lift. Well, I just found out it's been out of service for. Hey, stupid phone! Say that now! Before I said stay, I said stay, but I meant but it's a cone escalator and it's a standard lift. Like, let me show you. As you can see, it's a cone escalator. But let's get a view actually. Escalator. And well, there's like an issue and a problem with this announcement, to be honest, but yeah, on ground floor. But it says this is zone 3. But what we're gonna do now, I need to go to the toilet. So see you when I've been to the toilet, guys. Okay.